Good afternoon, everyone. We have here with us a grand final callback ng Mr. sa Filipinas 2024. And kasama natin ang isa sa mga aspirant, our Mr. Sambales 2023, Kirk Daniel Libira.
Hi
Di ba
everyone.
sinabi ko na yung pangalan, pero ipapa-introduce pa rin kita. Introduce yourself.
So, hello everyone. I'm Kirk Daniel Librian, your Mr. Zambales 2023, and will be representing the province of Zambales here at Mr. sa Filipinas.
Okay, so Kirk, aside from the Mr. Sambales competition, first time mo ba ito sa national pageant?
Yes, this is my first time in the national pageant.
How do you feel? Excited ka ba? Kinakabahan ka ba?
The feelings are actually mixed. I'm nervous, I'm excited, but I'm beyond grateful to be here today.
Sambales is slowly na nakikilala na ang Sambales sa in terms
Yes.
of mapa-female and male pageant. So how do you feel? Napipressure ka ba?
Well, the pressure is always there, but it's a big part of this competition because at the end of the day, we're competing against each other. And at the end of the day, we all want to improve different aspects of our lives because in the end, it will benefit us for our future as well.
Okay, so Kirk, tell us more about yourself naman. Studying ka ba? Professionally working ka na ba?
Well, at the moment, I'm currently a college student at Gordon College. It's one of the most known schools in Olongapo City, taking up Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, currently third year as well. And someday, I hope to become one of the most successful tourism management officers or flight attendant as well.
Okay, so your fellow Mr. Zambales, of course,
Yes.
Charlie Cook recently won the title from a national competition.
Yes.
So how was it for you? Like mas ganado ka pa ba? Mas ganado ka ba lalo this time for Mr. sa Filipinas?
Well, Charlie has been one of the most amazing Mr. Zambales brothers of mine. We've known each other very well, and after knowing that he's won Mr. Runway Model Philippines, it does not put any pressure on me, but rather it pushes me to strive harder. After seeing him win, I want to bring a lot of happiness into my province as well, representing that here in Mr. sa Pilipinas, and I hope to bring the best that I can be here.
Okay, so good luck, Kurt.
Thank you, sir.
Hopefully, you'll get through as official candidate of this year's Mr. sa Filipinas. So once again, guys, we have with us Kurt Daniel Libiran from the province of Zambales.
Bye everyone.